Hello, everyone. Today, I'd like to introduce Arpjam. Arpjam is a musical instrument that lets you create music without actually playing it in the traditional sense. This is the main screen. As you can see, the machine does the playing for you. What you control is right here. When you open the settings, you'll find a wide range of options. Explanations for each setting appear in speech bubbles, so feel free to experiment. If we set up 2 arpeggio tracks and add some drums, you can automatically generate a vast range of styles, from lighthearted, easy listening to dreamy, melodic tunes, chill ambient tracks, and even gritty acid techno. You can also export your creations and share them with your friends. Give it a try and have fun.